I just picked up a 100-watt solar panel. I just got one, but I think I'm gonna end up getting two. But we're gonna be mounting it up here on the rooftop tent so we can be able to charge and maintain our DJI Power 1000. And I'll leave this link down in the description if you guys want to pick one of these up for yourselves. It's a flexible panel. It's fairly thin, about an 1/8 inch thick. It'll mount to any curved surfaces. Like if you have a curved RV, this will mount to that. We're gonna clean up the rooftop tent. It's a little dusty up there, but we're gonna clean it up. We're gonna wash it off, make sure that both the surfaces are ready. So we'll be able to maintain our DJI Power 1000 while we're out camping. I've got the cords to connect it. We've got the adapter here on the Power 1000, so we're able to connect that all together. As far as mounting it, it's really simple to do. I went ahead and got some double-side stick tape from 3M. I'll link all this down in the description. Double-side stick tape, so I don't have to mess with any goopy silicone adhesives or anything like that. And then to seal off the ends of it for airflow and wind resistance, we're gonna do some all-weather Gorilla tape. Then as far as getting it lined up, I've got some blue painter's tape, and this is gonna be able to remove off of the surface so we can easily put this on, take it off. So we're gonna go ahead and clean off the surfaces, align it with this blue tape, get some measurements marked up there, and get it stuck up there. All right, so we do have a bit of dust up here. I'm gonna get some water and wash this off a little bit so we have a good surface to seal to. And then I'm gonna also wipe off the back of the solar panel. Even though it is new, I'll go ahead and clean it off too so we have a good surface for mounting. All right, now I do have the plan to get 2 panels up here, so eventually I will mount another one. So I'm gonna see how this will mount up here. If I do one here, I'll be able to put another one back here. Sideways like this, I won't be able to fit 2. So I think I'm gonna mount this one up towards the front, and I also need to make sure I got my wires on the side I want. I think I'm gonna run them down the front here and then underneath my roof rack here. All right, I'm gonna get this even up here toward the front. So 2 inches back from there. All right, I'm gonna even that between there. Put one here in the middle for reference. So when I mount this, I'm gonna just stick this side and then peel it off that way. I'm gonna go ahead and mark these sides. So it's a bit of measuring and guessing at the beginning. Once you got that figured out, we can go ahead and tape it on the back. So let's sticker this up. Once this stuff is stuck down, it's like a kind of a glue. So you want to make sure you get it installed carefully. All right, so I'm gonna peel, get these started, and be careful not to set this down until I'm right where I want it to be lined up. It's looking good there. You can go ahead and pull off the next strip of tape. I'm just gonna get ambitious and do them all at once now that I have that first one done. Go ahead and stick the second one and the third one. And we should be good from there. We can pull off our markers. Gorilla tape, we're gonna stick that right along the front here. Just gonna go about 1 inch past. Stick that. And then about 1 inch past, I'm gonna cut it off. Press that down. So we'll go ahead and do the same thing. Work our way down the solar panel. Now if you need to remove this, there is like Goo Gone, or you can use lemon, I think, to remove the adhesive if you need to change it out. Or if you want to add another solar panel, I'm probably going to eventually add another solar panel. Alright, go ahead and press that down and we're about done here. Just got to finish up our wiring. Might use some tape to hold them down up here. Then to run my wiring, I've got some zip ties. I'm just going to stick them down here with some tape because I want them to not move. That wire is attached down. I may need another little sticker here just to keep this from flopping around in the wind. I have some wiggle room here for the tent to open and close right there. All right, I've got my adapter cable run along the side rail here. Little green light shows we've got some power coming in. Go ahead and plug this in. We don't have full sunlight. We're just under partly cloudy, but we've got 17 watts input. We do have power coming in from the solar, so it's working pretty good. I might add another panel later, but for now, we've got this one. We've got it connected. It's looking good. All right, guys, it has been a few days since using the solar panel up on the rooftop tent. I did get another one with one solar panel. The DJI 1000 will just barely maintain it, but I went with two, and that should be able to keep us charged out here getting the sun with our solar panel. I was running the Ice Coat 35L off of the DJI Power 1000, and this did last me 2 days and 2 nights just powering the fridge. I didn't charge anything else off of this. Once I added that solar panel up there, this was able to stay a little bit more maintained and not drop as fast, so I did get a full 2 days and 2 nights out of it. Now I have 2 panels. I'm curious to see what that is. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed this video on how to mount a solar panel to your rooftop tent or the top of your RV, however you want to do it. Be sure to subscribe, follow along. More camping trips, more stuff like this. You want to see it here on the channel, let me know down below. Subscribe, follow along, and I'll see you in the next video.